freshly cut lemon thyme and chervil, white mushroom caps with the stems removed, minced garlic about 1 tablespoon. Chervil has a light anise flavor. Celtic salt will bring everything forward. Peppercorn blend. A light spraying of olive oil will mix everything combined. Red onion gives a little spice. Mix everything till well combined. Spray the mushroom caps with a coat of olive oil. Then use a silicone brush to evenly distribute the olive oil. Fill the caps all the way up to the edge. A Italian blend cheese is excellent as a topper for the mushrooms. Italian herb seasoning warmed up in a mortar and pestle, so therefore it is at its most potency. The Italian herb seasoning from the harvest is going to add to the herbaceous flavor, plus flavor the cheese at the same time. Grill the mushroom caps till they are soft and the cheese has completely melted. Sesame oil as a robustness, then with chilies as a light heat, which really complements all the herbs to a whole nother flavor profile. And then of course the balsamic vinegar gives a little bit of a tang on top of that nice chili oil.